Hi, in the last lecture, we talked about the basic structure of a website and make a structure from scratch. Now, in this lecture, we talk about header tags and paragraph tags. Header tags normally used for heading. These are used for headings. So there are 6 header tags from H1 to H6. So we see one by one. Now I clear this and here I write our h1 tag. The Sublime editor has ability to close tags if you write open tags. This is very handy. So now I write here this is h1 tags and simply Ctrl S and here I refresh it. So you can see this is the h1 tag that is bolder. Now if I write h2 tag, if I write h2 tags and here I say this is h2 tag and save it and here I refresh it, so you can see this is a bit smaller than h1 tag. Similarly, there are 6 types of heading tags. If I write here h3 tags, this is h3 tag. This is a bit smaller from h2 tags and here you can see this is a bit smaller. And go to h4 tag and I write here this is h4 tag, save it and here I refresh it, so you can see this is h4 tag. And go to down and similarly h5 tag, this is h5 tag and the last one is h6 tags. The last one is this is h6 tags, save it and here I refresh, so you can see all the tags are a bit smaller from other tags. We normally used first 3 tags and maybe 4 tags. These are not used because that is a bit smaller and we use here paragraph. Paragraph tags are used for to write paragraph. So these are header tags. These are 6 header tags from H1 to H6. Basically, tags are very useful for Google search result because if you use your headings in H1 tags, there is a bit more chances SEO search engine drag your website to the first page. So I recommend you to use H1, H2 and H3 tags for headings. These are the heading tags. Now we use paragraph tags. Paragraph tags, small p, we write here and this is paragraph tag. Simply I save it and here I refresh, so you can see this is a normal text that we use in paragraph. If I write further, this is simply anything you want to write here. So this is the paragraph text. If I go to next line and separate paragraph, what should I do? I do here another paragraph that will start with P and this is another paragraph. Save it and refresh it. You can see here there is a next line, another paragraph is here. If you simply click it here and 2 lines paragraph and save it, so nothing can here change. If you have paragraph and go to next line without using another paragraph, you can simply use a tag called BR. BR tag basically used for break line, that breaks the line into next line. If I save it and here I refresh it, so you can see there is a one paragraph with two lines, and that is an extra paragraph, another paragraph. So that's the concept of headings and paragraph tags. So hope you like it and understand. Please like our video and subscribe our channel for these latest videos. Thank you.